It always begins gently. Before the world sees anything, something small appears, and you know something big is about to happen. They are then converted into dummy units, allowing manufacturers to develop casings and accessories for what is unquestionably the greatest technology launch of the year. This time, Max Tech had early access to dummy units of the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and iPhone Ultra. Apple appears to be changing things up this year, with 3 versions expected and the base version likely arriving later in the spring. The camera modules are noticeably thicker than last year's iPhone 17 Pro Max fake. Everything else appears to be the same, practically unmodified, but the extra thickness of the music suggests that something bigger is going on inside. Rumors say that Apple is developing variable aperture for the Pro models, which could explain the larger design. The Ultra, on the other hand, is the device that will garner the most attention. Apple is set to release its first foldable iPhone. This move could directly rival gadgets such as the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Another image depicts how the Ultra sits in the hand. Surprisingly tiny, easy to use with one hand, and with a clear layout. The power button and camera control are located on the side, while the volume buttons are moved to the top. One thing is missing, the action button. There simply doesn't appear to be room for it. However, the major question is MagSafe. The magnet placement on the Pro models is clearly visible, as it has been in prior years. On the Ultra, there is nothing. There is no apparent ring, nor is there any hint of it. That could be due to space constraints, or it could be more deliberate. Apple has done this before, withholding functionality to make the next version appear more appealing. It seemed like one of those concepts that will always be just out of grasp. Something people discussed but never saw come to fruition. But, slowly and silently, it is beginning to feel genuine. A foldable iPhone no longer sounds far. It feels closer than anyone anticipated. And that shift alone alters everything. According to Majin Buu, the story surrounding Apple's foldable device is no longer speculative. The clear foldable casings with a visible circular ring hint at something larger. MagSafe for a foldable iPhone. This alone says a lot. Apple usually sticks to its ecosystem. Bringing anything like that into an entirely new form factor implies that this is more than simply a test. It's being considered as a significant step forward. The hinge appears tighter, more compact. The gap appears narrower, the borders smoother, and the overall shape more balanced. If this trend continues, it indicates a focus on longevity and the usual luxury feel Apple is known for. Even the camera setup remains limited. There are no huge modules or dramatic design choices, just a clean, simple approach that is consistent with Apple's character.